anesthetic. Are you ready?
Let's do it.
All right, he's from Missouri. We're going to have to show him, right?
That's right.
I'm ready, Gons. Go for it. Right there. All right, little stick.
What does Gonzo say? Stick, sting, and they burn. I was waiting for you to start.
It didn't run in your eye, did it?
No.
Okay, great.
Yeah. Real slow. We're just injecting the medicine right now. You feeling it?
I'm good.
Good. We like to show this part of the procedure. Now, some of the other doctors on YouTube don't show the anesthesia application. We like to because we think it's part of the procedure.
It is part of the procedure.
That's right.
Just in case.
All right, got a little bit there. We're going to move over and give you a little bit more here. So you've had your friend here for 20 years. You kind of called it Mini-Me, you told me earlier.
All right.
It's pretty cute. Has it ever drained or anything like that?
No, not at all.
And has it been just progressively getting larger?
Well, since I lost the weight, it's just more
Noticeable.
like protruding out more.
That's what you were telling me. You went on a diet.
Nah, I went on a way of life.
A way of life change. Okay, I'll take that. You
Hey,
made a
that's-
significant
I like
lifestyle, significant lifestyle change, and you lost how much?
60.
60 pounds. And that
That's
was before you
awesome.
came to Texas?
No, that's when I got down here.
Got down here and said you were too heavy for the humidity in Texas, huh?
Yeah, there wasn't enough Gold Bond in the world to help me.
Well, there you go. All right, so the change in color is due to the turgor pressure of the anesthetic being introduced into the interstitial space of the skin. That's what everybody's seeing now. How you doing for pain? Are we hurting you much?
I'm good.
We're just taking it slow. Yeah, Gonzo gave you an extra small needle. I don't know what's up with that.
I like
Well,
that.
because it's in a really sensitive area, so.
It is kind of a sensitive area, being the eyebrow and all. We
Yeah.
are going to have to shave your eyebrow off. You're okay with that, right? Actually, we're not
He
going to
never
shave it off. Notice how he didn't answer. That's right.
Don't block my view.
Can you see okay there, Gons?
Yes.
Mo, we just want to be sure you're okay if we video your procedure for YouTube and the whole world to see.
Yes, that's fine.
You're awesome, man. Thanks. So 20-year-old cyst at the eyebrow, huh?
Yeah.
He's gonna need more 4x4s than that.
We're ready to get started. We're going to make a little incision here. Now I'm going to go in the same direction as the creases across your forehead here so that it'll blend in better later.
Oh, okay.
Because you'll have a little scar here, of course. So we're making an incision right now.
Let's
If you
hope
feel
it-
anything, you're going to tell me, right?
Yeah.
You should feel pressure, but no, you shouldn't feel like a sharp pain.
No, you should not.
Well, we're good.
Did you feel anything?
Oh,
Is it okay
fine.
if I cap these?
Yeah, just be very, very careful. We
Okay.
prefer you don't actually cap needles and things.
Okay.
But, and I'll be using that again. I'm going to go here. We're going to use a little curved hemostat next. Did you feel the incision?
No.
Good. I can see the world.
All Missouri people do.
Third eye.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Look at that
Here
coming out of
comes
there, guys.
something.
Is it hard?
Well,
We don't know.
it's definitely
Nope.
it's definitely a sebaceous cyst because some of the contents just sort of
Popped
poured
out.
out. Yeah. Now, Gubby,
Peekaboo.
you may want to
I might want to move.
duck.
Okay.
Gonzo, do you have a good view?
I do, but I'm walking away
All
from
right,
it.
Mo, we're going to give this a little squeeze and get some of the contents out. Ooh.
All right.
Wow, look at that.
Yum.
Looked like you had a worm just came out of your eye.
Yummy.
No, it is the truth, though.
Sorry, I know you don't want to hear it, but
Poor Mo.
you're gonna hear it.
He had a wormy eye. Good thing is you're going to be. This is going to be gone here shortly. Right?
Yeah.
Yep. And Mrs. Mo is happy about it too.
Mrs. Mo's ecstatic.
This thing is very big,
It is.
isn't it? Look at the size of that dude. So far, it's all coming out in one big piece, and that's what we want. You're not feeling any sharp pains, right?
No.
You must have had a good doctor give you some anesthesia
Yeah,
there.
they hooked me up.
Hooked you up with good stuff. Get right in there. Now we're kind of working underneath it now. We're definitely making progress, guys. How's that looking on camera, Gons?
Look good.
Want our fans to get the full effect here. They've been waiting for a while for a really good cyst, haven't
Yeah,
they?
because we haven't had a good one since Grover.
Oh no, we've had some good ones since then.
Dang, where have I been?
Where have you been?
Sorry if I'm shaking. I'm trying to get a better view of it. You'll edit it.
Is it looking good there?
Yeah, now it is even better.
That soft tissue at the eyebrow is kind of coming up as I'm tugging, but I just have a gentle pressure that I'm keeping on it. We are almost out, Mr. Mo.
Good.
My favorite part is the stitching.
Yeah?
Mhm.
I'm kind of standing up while I'm doing this one because we moved the table to make sure there was enough room for everybody. I think we did well.
You're gonna have to help me move the table back.
I think we can do that. Look at that coming out of there
Wow.
nice and clean. Looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah,
does.
that's a
This is definitely
Yeah.
what we call an epidermoid cyst, Mr. Mo. This is what we used to call sebaceous cyst, which I guess technically is still an okay name, but we
Epidermoid.
or epidermoid cysts, yeah, which means that they're not they're skin cysts. Basically, it's just an involution of the skin tissue, and it causes the oils to kind of collect, oil and protein to collect in a sac instead of draining out of the body. Guess what, my friend? You are now cyst free.
We have to show him that.
Oh, wow.
Well, have you got a good view? Can you see?
yeah.
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 All right. Let's get our
Very
little
solid.
flush in here. We're flushing with some dilute hydrogen peroxide. Is that right?
Yes.
All right. Let's go with our solution.
Cover his
here.
eye forehead.
Yeah, thank you. Can you see, Gons?
Yes.
Good. We like to use that because it bubbles out some of the debris that might be left in there. But we got the whole cyst out, so I think we're in good shape here. There was no infection either, so you're not going to need any antibiotics for this, okay?
Good.
All right. And I think this is going to turn out really well. Let's put our stitch in, Gumby. Really, really little. Small suture. We're using this is 5-O-ethanol. It's one of the smallest ones that we keep in the clinic.
Scissors so you
In
can
fact,
help
it's
me
about
cut
the size of your eyebrow hairs.
To do it.
Okay.
Do you love Dr. Gilmore's cyst bursting, pimple popping, and infection draining videos? Want to see the extended procedures with never before seen footage, early releases, and no ads? Then support us on Patreon for dozens of HD ad-free videos. And don't worry, you can still watch on YouTube for free. But if you want the premium content with no ads, become a patron on Patreon. There's a link in the description.
Hey folks, are you wondering how to boost your immune system to help protect yourself in cold and flu season? Well, maybe it's time for you to stock up on Meta 7. Meta 7 ingredients like B12 and B6 are the building blocks to a healthy immune system. In fact, according to health.com, vitamin B12 is a powerhouse. It helps make DNA, nerve and blood cells, and is crucial for a healthy brain and immune system. So if you're over 50, don't eat a balanced diet, or suffer from fatigue and could use a nice boost, then try Meta 7 today.
Meta 7, I've gotten more energy. I feel good. I don't have any aches and pains like I usually have. And I notice just more energy with them.
Since I spend more energy and more energetic, I sleep better. So it's been a pretty good product for me.
Notice a huge, tremendous energy boost. Before I was really sluggish. I didn't want to do anything, even my work. It showed it, but now since I've been on it, my work is getting completed.
Check out the Amazon links in the description below, and you can order today with Amazon Prime. Also, check out Dr. Gilmore's 7-piece kit, available on Amazon for under $20. It's got a leather case, and it's compact in size, good for traveling. See link below.